Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Welcome po sa News Up to Date. Ang topic po natin ngayong gabing ito ay tungkol po sa advisory na inilabas ng Securities and Exchange Commission laban po sa Unify Marketing Consultancy Services o Unify Consultancy Services. Based on the information received by the Commission, an individual claiming to represent Unify Marketing Consultancy Services or Unify Consultancy Services headed by its CEO Raymond Sombrero is enticing the public to invest their money in said entity. At ayon daw sa mga nakapost online, ay kailangan mo daw muna mag-register para daw makapag-invest ka at mamimili ka daw dito sa tatlong program plans ng Unify Consultancy Services. At ang tatlong plans nila ay Partnership Program, Alliance Program at Unity Program. Unify Marketing Consultancy Services or Unify Consultancy Services is offering investments to the public with a minimal amount of 100 pesos up to 10,000 pesos. The investor can earn 20% after 8 days, 45% after 16 days, and 110% after 24 days. Makikita nyo na too good to be true ang pangakong kitaan ng Unify Consultancy Services kasi ang pangakong kitaan nila sa loob daw ng 24 days ay double your money o 110%. Alam naman natin na napaka-imposible po ng ganyang kalaking kitaan. Puro pang-hype lang po yung mga companies na yan para may sumali na mga investors at kaya mababa ang kanilang minimum investment ay para mas marami ang ma-hype. Siyempre mag-uumpisa sila sa 1,000 at kapag nakatanggap ng payout ay magdadagdag na investment at syempre magre-recruit din yan. Kaya mga kababayan, wag po kayo magpapahype sa mga companies dahil maaari sa umpisa meron po yung payout pero sigurado po sa huli tatakbuhan po kayo niyan. The public is being made aware that an investment contract exists when there is an investment or placement of money in a common enterprise with a reasonable expectation of profits to be derived from the efforts of others, which is prominent in the scheme of Unify Marketing Consultancy Services or Unify Consultancy Services. As such, the Securities Regulation Code or SRC requires that said offer and sale of securities must be duly registered with the Commission and that the concerned entity and or its agents should have the appropriate registration and or license to sell such securities to the public. Based on the Commission's database, Unify Marketing Consultancy Services or Unify Consultancy Services is not registered with the Commission as a corporation or a partnership. Likewise, Unify Marketing Consultancy Services or Unify Consultancy Services has not secured prior registration and or license to solicit investments from the Commission as prescribed under Section 8 and 28 of the Securities Regulation Code or SRC. Further, the scheme employed by Unify Marketing Consultancy Services or Unify Consultancy Services has the characteristics of a Ponzi scheme where monies from new investors are used in paying fake profits to prior investors and is designed mainly to favor its top recruiters and prior risk takers and is detrimental to subsequent members in case of scarcity of new investors. Kaya po mga kababayan, umiwas na po kayo sa Unify Consultancy Services dahil yan po ay isang Ponzi scheme at mari sa umpisa may payout pero sigurado po sa huli kapag may mga papromo na, mga parapol at may mga delay na po sa payout, ang kasunod po ay pagtakbo na po ng mga pasimuno ng company. The offering and selling of securities in the form of investment contracts using the Ponzi scheme which is fraudulent and unsustainable is not a registrable security. The Commission will not issue a license to sell securities to the public, to persons or entities that are engaged in this business or scheme. Moreover, RA number 11765 or the Financial Products and Services Consumer Protection Act or FCPA prohibits the commission of investment fraud, defined as any form of deceptive solicitation of investments from the public, which includes Ponzi schemes and such other schemes involving the promise or offer of profits or returns sourced from the investments or contributions made by the investors themselves, and the offering or selling of investment schemes to the public without a license or permit from the SEC. In view thereof, the public is hereby advised not to invest or to stop investing in the investment scheme being offered by Unify Marketing Consultancy Services or Unify Consultancy Services and its representatives. Ayan po mga kababayan, ang Securities and Exchange Commission na po ang nagsabi na wag na po kayo mag-invest at tumigil na po kayo sa pag-invest sa mga investment scheme na ino-offer ng Unify Consultancy Services. Kaya po, umiwas na po kayo sa company na yan. Mare, makatanggap kayo ng payout sa umpisa, pero sigurado po tatakbuhan po kayo niyan. Katulad lang din po yan ng ibang mga companies na sa umpisa ay hinahype kayo kaya nagbibigay ng payout, pero kapag naabot na nila yung quota nila, bigla po yang mawawala. At meron din pong babala ang SEC para po sa mga umaaktong salesmen, brokers, dealers, agents, representatives, promoters, recruiters, uplines, influencers, endorsers, abettors, and enablers of Unify Marketing Consultancy Services o Unify Consultancy Services in selling or convincing people to invest in the investment scheme being offered by the said entity, including soliciting investments or recruiting investors through the internet, may be held criminally liable under Section 11 of the FCPA and Section 28 of the SRC, which are both penalized separately with a maximum fine of 5 million pesos or imprisonment of 21 years or both, pursuant to Section 73 of the SRC. At yung mga pangalan ng mga involved sa Unify Marketing Consultancy Services o Unify Consultancy Services ay i-report po ng SEC sa Bureau of Internal Revenue o BIR para sa mga kaukulang multa at buwis na dapat bayaran. Kung kayo po ay may impormasyon tungkol po sa operasyon ng Unify Marketing Consultancy Services o Unify Consultancy Services, pati na rin sa mga representatives niyang company na yan, ay pwede nyo pong isend ang inyong report sa EIPD sa pamamagitan po ng email. Ang kanilang email ay epd@sec.gov.ph. Ito pong advisory ay inilabas noong April 23, 2024. Mga kababayan, ang Unify Marketing Consultancy Services o Unify Consultancy Services na pinamumunuan ng isang nagngangalang Raymond Sombrero ay isa pong Ponzi scam, kaya umiwas na po kayo sa company na yan. Makikita naman ninyo na puro red flags po yan dahil yan po ay wala pong secondary license at ang tanging legalities na pinagmamalaki nila ay yung kanilang DTI registration. At syempre base sa kwento nila, matagal na raw sila, 2021, pero nag-launch lang daw sila sa public noong March 27, 2024. Alam naman natin na yan po ay pang-hype lang ng mga companies dahil nilaunch lang naman talaga sila nung March at alam natin na tatakbo din yan dahil ang mga companies po ay sa umpisa lang maaaring magbigay ng payout pero sa huli po tatakbuhan po kayo niyan. Marami pa pong mga red flags ang Unify Consultancy Services katulad ng wala po silang opisina at ang tanging empleyado nila ay yung presidente o yung CEO nila na si Raymond Sombrero. At syempre, dapat po bago sila mag-offer na investment sa publiko, dapat meron muna silang secondary license. Pero alam naman natin na yung mga companies po ay hindi po yan kukuha ng secondary license. At makikita naman natin na ang kanilang mga pangakong kitaan ay too good to be true, lalo na po yung Unity program na 24 days daw ay madodoble na raw ang pera mo o 110% daw ang pangakong kitaan. Alam naman natin na yan po ay pang-hype lang ng mga companies At kapag naabot na nila yung quota nila, bigla na lang po yang maglalaho. Mga kababayan, maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta sa aking channel. God bless po.